Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Anker Soundcore Sport X20 wireless Bluetooth sport earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not working for some reason, if they're not connecting to your phone or other device, or if they're not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of the left ear. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, if you can't get it fixed, or if you decide you just want to buy a new set of earbuds, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a set of earbuds that I have and I like a lot. Now, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all of the pairing history off of them so that you can go ahead and get a fresh start with a new, like you're just pairing these like like they're new. Anyways, it's real easy to do. All we need to do is put them in the case. I'm going to leave the case open. As you see over here on the left side, they're seated well into the case properly. They need to be well seated, have a decent charge on everything. And then we're just going to press and hold the button that's on the charging case for 10 seconds, just keeping an eye on the indicator light that's on the case. And when that light flashes 3 times quickly white, that'll just tell you that that reset is complete. You can go ahead and set these earbuds up like they're brand new.